Ever stared at a Tesla, that sleek, futuristic machine gliding silently down the road, and wondered, could I actually get behind the wheel? Not just a quick peek, but a real, honest-to-goodness test drive? You've seen the videos, the jaw-dropping acceleration, the tech that feels like science fiction. But can you, a regular person, experience it firsthand? That's the question we're diving into today. Because let's face it, a Tesla isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. And if you're anything like me, you're curious. You want to know if the reality lives up to the hype. We're not just talking about a casual spin around the block. We're talking about a genuine test drive, the kind that lets you feel the instant torque, navigate the autopilot features, and truly understand what makes a Tesla, well, a Tesla. But here's the thing, Tesla doesn't operate like your traditional dealership. There are no rows of cars, no pushy salespeople. It's a different experience, a digital-first approach. So, how do you navigate this new landscape? How do you actually get that test drive? First, let's talk about why you'd even want one. Beyond the sheer novelty, a Tesla test drive is about experiencing a paradigm shift. It's about understanding electric vehicles, their capabilities, and their limitations. It's about seeing if this technology aligns with your lifestyle. Think about it. The instant torque, that neck-snapping acceleration you see in videos? You need to feel it to believe it. It's unlike any combustion engine you've ever driven. Autopilot and full self-driving, FSD, capability, while FSD is still evolving, experiencing autopilot's adaptive cruise control and lane keeping is a game-changer for long drives. The user interface, the massive touchscreen, the intuitive controls, the seamless integration of software and hardware. It's a completely different way of interacting with a car. The charging infrastructure, understanding the supercharger network and home charging options is crucial for electric vehicle ownership. The overall experience, the quiet cabin, the smooth ride, the feeling of driving something truly innovative. These aren't things you can grasp from a brochure or a YouTube video. You need to be in the driver's seat. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks. How do you actually schedule a Tesla test drive? The primary method is through Tesla's website. It's a streamlined process, reflecting their digital-first approach. You simply navigate to the test drive section, enter your location, and select the model you're interested in. Here's a breakdown of the typical steps. Visit the Tesla website. Start by going to Tesla's official website. Find the test drive section, look for the test drive or schedule a test drive option. Enter your location. This will show available test drive locations and dates near you. Select a model. Choose the Tesla model you want to test drive, Model S, Model 3, Model X, or Model Y. Choose a date and time. Select a convenient date and time slot. Provide your information. You'll need to provide your contact information and driver's license details. Confirm your appointment. Once you've submitted your information, you'll receive a confirmation email or text message. It's important to note that test drive availability can vary depending on location and demand. Popular models and locations may have longer wait times. But what if you don't have a Tesla store or service center nearby? Tesla occasionally holds test drive events in various locations. Keep an eye on their website or social media for announcements. Here are a few tips to make your Tesla test drive as productive as possible. Do your research. Before your test drive, familiarize yourself with the Tesla model you're interested in. Watch videos, read reviews, and understand its key features. Prepare questions. Have a list of questions ready for the Tesla advisor. This could include questions about range, charging, autopilot, or specific features. Drive in different conditions. If possible, try to drive in different conditions, such as highway driving, city driving, and even some light off-road driving, if applicable. Test the technology. Don't just focus on the driving experience. Explore the touchscreen, the autopilot features, and the charging options. Take notes. Jot down your impressions and observations. This will help you make an informed decision later. Ask about charging. Understanding the charging process is essential for electric vehicle ownership. Inquire about supercharger locations and home charging options. Bring your driver's license. This is a requirement for test drives. It is also important to remember that Tesla advisors are not traditional salespeople. They are there to answer your questions and provide information, not to pressure you into a purchase. Now, let's address some common concerns. Many people wonder if they need to be serious buyers to request a test drive. The answer is no. Tesla encourages anyone who is interested in learning more about their vehicles to schedule a test drive. However, be respectful of their time and resources. Don't schedule a test drive if you have no genuine interest in learning about the vehicle. Another common question is about the length of the test drive. Typically, Tesla test drives last between 15 and 30 minutes, depending on the location and demand. This may seem short, but it's usually enough time to get a feel for the car and its features. And what about the cost? Tesla test drives are generally free of charge. Finally, what are the chances of getting a test drive? While Tesla strives to accommodate all requests, availability can be limited. Be prepared to schedule your test drive in advance, especially for popular models and locations. The experience is designed to be informative and engaging, allowing you to get a comprehensive understanding of what it's like to drive a Tesla. It's not just about the speed or the technology, it's about the overall feeling of driving a car that represents the future. In conclusion, yes, you absolutely can request a test drive of a Tesla. It's a straightforward process, and it's a valuable experience for anyone interested in electric vehicles. It's your chance to step into the future of driving and see if it's the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.